Asterisk, imagine walking through Beverly Hills and seeing a luxury EV you've never heard of. Something sleeker than a Tesla, more futuristic than a BM, and yet, it's not sold in America. That frustration is real because China is building cars so bold, so advanced, that they're redefining what luxury looks like. In this video, we reveal the top 5 Chinese luxury EVs Americans wish they could drive today. From shock-inducing designs to features that feel pulled straight from science fiction, these are the cars turning heads worldwide. Buckle up, because the future of luxury is arriving, just not here yet. Why America should pay attention. The US has always been the crown jewel for luxury car brands. Rolls-Royce, Mercedes, and Cadillac built their names here, shaping driveways and lifestyles. But now, China's automakers are designing luxury EVs that rival the best, and they're pricing them shockingly low. If these cars enter the US market, they could disrupt German dominance and even challenge Tesla's hometown edge. This isn't just about cars. It's about prestige, technology, and a fight for the future of luxury. And right now, America is on the outside looking in. Meet the rising stars. China's EV brands are no longer small startups. Names like Zeekr, NIO, BYD, Hongqi, and Motors are building global reputations. They've already launched EVs with 400-mile ranges, cutting-edge interiors, and autonomous driving features that rival Silicon Valley's finest. These cars are not cheap knockoffs, they're legitimate luxury contenders. For American buyers, it's almost painful knowing these models exist, yet aren't available in US showrooms. The rising stars of China are ready to challenge everything Americans thought they knew about luxury cars. Design that stuns one. Look at these EVs and you'll understand the hype. Panoramic glass roofs, illuminated grills, neon lighting, and flowing bodywork that feels closer to art than machinery. China's designers are blending Eastern aesthetics with Western luxury cues, creating a look that's bold, futuristic, and elegant. Compared to German restraint or Tesla minimalism, these cars scream presence. If parked in Los Angeles or Miami, they'd stop traffic instantly. This is design made not just to impress, but to shock. Why they're kept out of America so? Why aren't these luxury EVs flooding US streets yet? Politics, tariffs, and trust. Bringing Chinese cars into the American market is a battle of regulation, branding, and image. Automakers know it's not enough to be affordable or advanced. They must also build trust with skeptical buyers. Until those barriers break, these cars will remain tantalizingly out of reach. For American fans of luxury, it feels like waiting at the window while the future drives past. Car number 1, Zeekr 9 XTHE. Zeekr 9 X looks like it rolled straight out of a science fiction film. With a panoramic glass cockpit, holographic displays, and level 3 autonomy, it feels more like a luxury spaceship than a car. Its design screams presence, with neon accents and curves that challenge anything from Mercedes or BMW. Inside, passengers are wrapped in AI-driven luxury, from voice-controlled features to dynamic ambient lighting. Zeekr 9X proves China isn't just building cars, they're building the future of mobility. If it ever lands in America, it could change the luxury EV game overnight. Car number 2, NIO ET9. NIO's ET9 is all about range, performance, and futuristic tech. It introduces battery swapping stations where your car can recharge in 5 minutes, something no American automaker has mastered yet. Its cabin feels like a luxury lounge, complete with reclining seats, smart assistants, and cinematic screens. On the road, it balances raw acceleration with smooth handling, rivaling German precision. For Americans tired of waiting at chargers, the ET9 feels like a dream solution. If it came to the US, Tesla might finally have a real rival on its home turf. Car number 3, Hongqi E-HS9. Hongqi is often called the Rolls-Royce of China, and the EHS9 proves why. This massive electric SUV looks like a luxury palace on wheels, complete with a commanding grille, handcrafted interiors, and features designed for heads of state. Every inch of the cabin screams opulence, from massage chairs to starlight headliners. On American highways, it would rival Escalades and Range Rovers while offering technology those brands can't match. At $100,000, it's a fraction of the price of a Rolls-Royce, but with nearly the same presence. Car number 4, BYD Yangwang U8. The BYD Yangwang U8 isn't just luxury, it's a beast. This SUV can literally float in water, turn 360 degrees on the spot, and climb rough terrain while still pampering passengers in luxury. Its cabin combines rugged design with leather, screens, and futuristic lighting. Americans would love its mix of adventure and indulgence. Imagine driving a vehicle that outperforms Jeep's off-road, but feels like a Mercedes inside. The U8 proves Chinese automakers aren't just copying, they're innovating in ways nobody expected. Car number 5, Motors LS7. The IML7 is China's sleek answer to Tesla's Model X. But with a focus on luxury and tech, its futuristic design hides an interior filled with old screens, AI co-pilots, and a lounge-like seating arrangement. Doors open dramatically, the steering wheel folds into the dash, and the car feels more like a concept vehicle than something you can actually buy. Yet in China you can. If the LS7 hit America, it would flip the script on what luxury SUVs should look like. What sets them apart? What makes these EVs different from American or German rivals? It's not just affordability, it's innovation at breakneck speed. Battery swapping, water floating SUVs, holographic dashboards, and panoramic cockpits are things Western automakers aren't offering. For Americans, these features feel like science fiction. China is proving that luxury doesn't have to follow old rules, it can rewrite them. And that's what sets these cars apart. Why Americans would love them. Americans love big SUVs, bold designs, and cutting-edge tech. These EVs check every box: spacious cabins, road trip-ready ranges, and features designed for modern lifestyles. Imagine cruising down Route 66 in a Hongqi E-HS9, or taking a Yangwang U8 off-road in Utah. These cars aren't just luxury, they're lifestyle machines. The only thing missing? Access to buy them. The future? Will they arrive? The million-dollar question. Will these EVs ever make it to US soil? With political tensions and tariff wars, it won't be easy. But as demand grows for innovation and affordability, the pressure will build. If even one of these models breaks through, it could open the floodgates. For Americans, that could mean an era of luxury like never before. More choices, more innovation, and more competition. Conclusion: luxury redefined. These 5 Chinese EVs prove that luxury isn't just about heritage, it's about vision. They combine design, technology, and ambition in ways that make Rolls-Royce, Mercedes, and Tesla look cautious. For American buyers, the frustration is real, but so is the excitement. Because when these cars finally arrive, they won't just compete, they'll redefine luxury itself.